Welcome back. Now, I have to say, I'm really excited about this particular conversation that's about to happen. We are joined by Ekemini Ogbikil. She is a new product development stylist at Godrej, Nigeria. Today, it's all about the Darling Hair brand. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Now, I know you've been on the show before talking about this amazing brand. Thank you so much for coming back.
Thanks for having me.
It seems like your product line has grown since, it all started a while back. But you need to give people a little insight about who Darling Hair actually are.
Yeah, actually our product line has grown a lot because our focus is to innovate new styles, to meet the varying needs of every woman.
Okay.
So at Darling Nigeria, we really, focus on women. It's a female-centric brand that focuses on providing quality extensions to meet the everyday woman's needs. And women, transition from different roles, from a mother, to a boss lady, to a CEO. They transition to a sister role, and they need different hairstyles, to help them as they transition through life. And women go through a lot of things in life. So Darling is always there to provide quality extensions, also at a very affordable price.
Now, people need to see what we're talking about. And we have some very lovely models that are about to showcase and show us exactly what she's talking about. Now, you mentioned the everyday woman.
Exactly.
Right? You mentioned the everyday woman. So which of these on display here would be for the everyday look? Let's talk about what we have on the table here.
All right, so I would like to start with this, the Passion Twist style. This is a crochet product, and it can go for an everyday look.
Okay.
You can use this if you're going on a vacation. It's very easy to style, and it's also very durable. So it's stress-free, you know. And so the whole idea of designing crochets are because crochets are quite easy to install and really beautiful, and they're quite durable too. So this would go for an everyday look. If you're going on a vacation, you can install crochet, the Darling Passion Twist crochet. All
right. Now, I've noticed that you play with a lot of colors. This is a very bright color.
Exactly.
People are being more adventurous these days.
Yeah.
That the everyday woman, I mean.
Exactly. Women express themselves in different ways, and color is a key design element that help women to express themselves, and that is why Darling gives lots of colors. Like the color the model is wearing is color 27. Okay. Also called the blonde, so as you can see, and it goes with light skin tone, brown skin tone, and even some dark skin tone that have some undertones of blonde can work with this color.
I really love what I'm seeing in that particular style, and that's crochet. So it's probably a lot faster than a full braiding look.
Exactly, it's very fast, very easy to install because it's a crochet.
Now, a lot of people connect with brands like Darling for just braids, but I can also see some other things here. Now, for instance, there's this Empress that I can see here. Tell us a bit about that.
Okay, so the Darling Empress collection is the human hair-like collection designed by Darling, to meet that need of, installing human hair-like products without breaking the bank.
We have an Empress model coming out, right?
Yes, we do have an Empress model.
We'll see her in just a second.
Exactly.
So talk to us about that style that she's wearing. Because I know that whenever I go all out for hairstyles, maybe when I'm going for like a red carpet look, right? So I love the fact that when I'm on the red carpet, I'm comfortable and all that, and I've not broken the bank, as you said. Let's take a look at that model.
Yeah, so this beautiful model is wearing the Darling Mongolian Kinky, and this look is perfect for a red carpet. It's also perfect for a dinner. If you're going for a dinner, you can wear styles like this. And Mongolian Kinky works with natural hair texture, so if your hair is natural, you can, wear it because it has this natural blown out look, and it's very beautiful. It's easy to style, it's durable, and it's also very affordable, which is the core essence of Darling.
Okay, so do you have to be a real professional hairstylist before you use these products, or can I just do them at home myself?
These products are pretty easy to install. I mean, you can use them for DIY styles, you know, so they're quite easy to install. And they're very flexible, so irrespective of how professional you are as a stylist, you can actually work with these products.
Now, there's one more model that I know a lot of ladies who are engaged would like to see. Now, she looks like she's set for a wedding. Wow. Talk to us about this particular hairpiece.
She looks so elegant, and the product that was used in achieving this style is the Empress Super Body Wave. And this Empress Super Body Wave looks like human hair. Very easy to style. It's a one-pack enough product, so we use just one pack to achieve this style. So you don't even have to spend so much money achieving this look. And as a bride, it is perfect. You know, it's easy to curl, easy to manipulate, and very easy to style.
I love the fact that you said it looks like human hair.
Yeah.
A lot of people are worried about, you know, breaking the bank when it comes to hairstyling and all that. Is this as easy to install as the others?
Very easy to install.
Okay.
So one thing hairstylists look out for when installing hair is the weft.
Okay.
How flexible is the weft? Because that makes it quite easy to sew. So this has a very, you know, thin weft that makes sewing easy.
Okay.
And the curl pattern on it is already defined. So you don't have to stress to, you know, achieve whatever styles you're trying to create.
I have to say a big thank you to you for joining us this International Women's Month. You need to share some of those words. You guys have some really inspiring last words that people need to hear, especially with regard to International Women's Month.
Exactly. So every woman needs to own her beauty.
Okay.
And she needs to be able to express herself in her own unique way. So she shouldn't necessarily try to do what everyone is doing. So you can express your hair with you can express yourself with your craft, your hairstyle, you know, the way you look, your handwork, whatever it is you're doing, just stay true to it and be positive and always, you know, find you're beautiful.
Oh, find you're beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Big shout out to Darling Hair. It's amazing, those styles that we're seeing there. Goodness me. I feel like going to do my hair right now.
You should.
We should, right? Okay,
Maybe
I'm thinking
you
about
try
it.
the Mongolian kinky.
Okay, what can I do with that?
You can do a cute ponytail with it. Very nice.
Okay,
You can create a beautiful updo with it too.
Okay.
The styles are endless.
Honestly, I can't wait to try it out. And now at this point, I say once again, thank you so much for coming to join us. And thanks to the models who performed beautifully. Tokwe, handing it over to you right now. The show continues.